Hi students of class 7. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter 2. I think everyone has finished writing in the book, in the CW copy, and you have sent it to me for correction. So today we will revise the question answer from the CW copy. Oral revision we will do. After that your homework will be to revise the question answer at home, rather learning it at home. Okay, so let's start the class. The first question that we have done in this chapter 2, number system, is what do you understand by a number system? Now what do you understand by a number system? Number system is a set of value which are used to represent different quantities. For example, we know how to count the number of fingers in our hand, how many students are there in our class. These things we can count using the number system. So what is number system? Number system is a set of value that is used, which are used to represent certain quantities. Next question we have done in this chapter is name the different number systems. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. These things we have done. What is the base of the number system? Every number system has a set of digits. The base of the number system is the total number of digits available in it. Like the decimal number system, the base is 10. Why it is 10? Because it has the digits 0 to 9. That's why the base of the number system is 10. So what is the base of the number system? It is the total number of digits available in it. Next, how do we calculate the value of each digit in a number? The value of each digit in a number can be found out using the 3 points: the digit, the position on the number, the digit's position on the number, and the base of the number system. These 3 things we need. Once again I am repeating: the digit, its position in the number, and the base of the number system. Next, differentiate between the face value and the face value of the number. Every digit represents a value that we know. The value of 6 is 6, the value of 4 is 4, 3 is 3. That means this value is called the face value of the digit. That means the digit itself is the face value of that particular digit. And what is place value? Every digit in the number has a place. That means depending upon its place we calculate the value. Every digit in a number has a value depending on its place in the number. This is called the place value of the number. That means according to the position of the digit in the number, the place value is calculated. Next, why is there a need for other number systems than the decimal number system? In the digital system, instructions are given through the electric signals, and variation is done by varying the voltage of the signal. As we all know, the computer understands only the off or the on state. That means when the current passes and when it does not. It is difficult to have so many different voltage in a single computer, and so the other number systems are developed. Understand why the other number systems other than the decimal number system, why the other number systems came into action to calculate the variation of the different voltages. Okay. Next question. Why do we need the octal and the hexadecimal number system? Octal number system is written as a group of 3 binary digits, and hexadecimal number system is written as the group of 4 binary digits. Now, in computers, the natural number system used is the binary number system, but this causes too many bits to be used while representing a data. Hexadecimal number system allows us to use 4 times fewer bits than the binary number system. As all the processors use more than 4 bits, it is useful to represent the data in hexadecimal number form. It is also difficult to read large numbers that are represented in binary. So the hexadecimal number system represent of merging the 4 binary bits, and the octal number system represent the combination of merging 3 binary bits. So this 2 number system came into action. Now, what is the other name of base of the system? Radix. R-A-D-I-X. Radix is the other name of base of the number system. Who invented the binary number system and when? The binary number system was invented by Gottfried Leibniz in the year 1679. Please remember the year and learn the spelling Gottfried Leibniz. Okay, these are all the question answers of chapter 7 that we have done in the computer CW copy. Now your homework is to learn all this question answer from the computer CW copy, and please at home practice the writing so that your spellings get improved. Okay. Next thing is, if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, please study at home, and bye-bye.